Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Royal Giant in Clash Royale. The Royal Giant is a powerful tank that targets enemy buildings, making it a fantastic win condition. Your primary goal is to get it to the opponent's tower. We'll cover its optimal placement, how to support it effectively, and what cards work best alongside it to secure those crucial tower destructions. Let's dive into the core mechanics. Building a balanced Royal Giant deck is key to consistent wins. You'll want a solid defensive building, perhaps an Inferno Tower or Tesla, to handle enemy tanks. Pair this with a mini-tank or high-damage troop for ground defense. Don't forget a powerful spell, like Lightning or Fireball, to clear out pesky support units. Finally, include some low-elixir cycle cards to keep your deck flowing smoothly and get back to your Royal Giant quickly. Executing an effective Royal Giant push requires precise timing and elixir management. Ideally, you'll place your Royal Giant at the bridge when you have an elixir advantage, perhaps after a successful defense. Immediately follow up with ranged support units, such as an Electro Wizard or Hunter, to protect your tank. Be ready to use a spell to clear out any swarms or defensive buildings your opponent places. Always keep a few elixir for unexpected counterattacks. While the Royal Giant is an offensive powerhouse, strong defense is equally vital. Focus on defending efficiently to create an elixir advantage, which you can then convert into a powerful push. Utilize your defensive building to kite enemy tanks and draw them away from your towers. After a successful defense, if you have troops remaining, consider placing a Royal Giant at the bridge to launch a devastating counterpush. Mastering elixir management is crucial for both offense and defense.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.